Today we got some data. It's a bit stale, but it's data to look at, and some of it is pretty strong. The first one we got the first reading of third quarter GDP. Now this should have come out in October, almost 2 full months ago, slightly more, but we did get the number. We're only going to get one revision. That's January 22nd, but here's the numbers. Quarter over quarter GDP data, the consensus was 3.2%, comes in 4.3%, much stronger than expected. Personal consumption expenditures that they were looking for 2.7%, comes in 3.5%. Both numbers much better than expected. The increases to GDP, consumer spending, there's that constant theme through this last quarter. The U.S. consumer, exports, and government spending, defense spending actually showed up. Then decreases, investment, imports, which are a subtraction from GDP, so that negative number actually added. If you look at within the consumer spending, goods and services, it was healthcare, that was the main strength. In goods, recreation, and vehicles was the strength there. So all things considered, this was the fastest pace in 2 years of GDP growth. Good solid numbers ending the third quarter. Like I said, we're worried about its relevance to the overall market, as it's a good number, but it's 2 months old. Now, we also got durable goods, that the headline number, the always volatile headline number, down 2.2%. Transportation, that takes the volatility out, it was actually up 0.2, a tenth better than expected. And core capital goods, up 0.5%. So then we got some sentiment data. The Conference Board Consumer Sentiment came out around 10 o'clock Eastern, and that number, it's a little interesting. It came in 89.1, higher than last month's original number, but that number was revised to 92.9. The consensus was for 91.9, so a miss there. And so here's the alarming trend in consumer confidence. It was 95.5 in October. It was 88.7 in November, revised to 92.9, and now 89.1 in December. So a bit of a decrease in consumer confidence. Again, these are those sentiment numbers that we've poked a lot of holes in lately. University of Michigan and Conference Board Consumer Confidence. So we'll overall, the economic data from GDP, pretty solid, showing a strong U.S. consumer.